A very exciting week is about to begin with a plethora of financial releases and monetary policy events. We make a start with the USD, which gained substantially against its counterparts for the week. In the coming week, the release of the Fed's interest rate decision is standing out and ready to shake the markets on Wednesday. Should the Fed actually proceed with a double rate hike and or foreshadow more rate hikes to come, maintaining a hawkish stance, we may see the USD reaching new highs. On Friday, we highlight also the US employment report for April, and should the data show a tight US employment market, we may see the bulls leading the greenback again. In GBP's fundamentals, we highlight BOE's interest rate decision. The bank is expected to hike rates, yet the market seemed to be more hawkish and pricing more rate hikes to come. Should the bank deliver the rate hike expected and provide hints for more rate hikes to come as expected by the markets, we may see the pound getting some support. JPY's weakening was allowed to continue with BOJ's dovish interest rate decision as the bank practically maintained its ultra-loose monetary policy. In the coming week, we may see monetary policy outlook differentials weighing on JPY, while the yen is expected to maintain its dual role as a national currency and a safe haven for investors. Fundamentals for the euro remain dark as the war in Ukraine and the sanctions imposed on Russia seem to weigh on the common currency. The recent hold in the supply of Russian gas to Poland and Bulgaria was another painful reminder of Europe's and Eurozone's dependency on Russian energy products. On the monetary front, the ECB seems to be sending some hints about a possible rate hike in the summer, and at the macro level, the possibility of stagflation is on the horizon for the Eurozone, foreshadowing a difficult outlook. Aussie traders are to keep a close eye over the release of RBA's interest rate decision on Tuesday. Whether AUD is to get any support from the event may depend on how wide the rate hike is going to be and whether the tone of the forward guidance is going to be confident and cautious. Other than that, we would also note the release of China's manufacturing PMI figures for April on Saturday, as well as the retail sales and building approvals for March and the trading data of Australia also for March on Thursday. CAD traders are to keep a close eye over Canada's employment data for April on Friday. Yet before that, we also note Canada's trade data for March on Wednesday. As a commodity currency, the CAD could get some support from rising oil prices, but also from an improved market sentiment. From all of us here at FX, best wishes for solid trading.